talking about the things that he did as a young cook that maybe we don't do so much anymore. Master Chef Olivier Andreini, who's been a mentor in my career for almost 23 years now, coming in and talking about his apprenticeship, talking about the things that he did as a young cook that maybe we don't do so much anymore, and how that led to his mastery in the craft, to his passing the Master Chef exam, and to his heightened role in private clubs, in culinary institutes, and the way that he's been able to impact generations of chefs. Truly incredible to hear him talk about his level of focus, his level of detail, his attention span, and really the things that are most important to him. And it all coming from that apprenticeship stage in his career. I'm a true believer that the apprenticeship phase is one of the key phases to building towards mastery, and that's why I'm really excited for him to be sharing that with you.